This is OLFA 25mm extra heavy duty utility knives. It is a big knife. But if you put it in hand, it's very comfortable. I think it's very good for using like heavy duty cuts, like if you want to cut some carpet. If you compare it to 18mm knife, it's small, so basically you can cut some rope, something smaller. But for this one, you can actually put a lot of strength. It's made of good quality rubber and plastic. When you hold it in hand, it doesn't feel like a slip and very comfortable. And what I like about it, another one, is the locking system. Using the screw, you can lock it like really tight. For example, when this part lock in, this blade is really hard to remove. And then I'll show you how to change the blade. When you lose the screw, you just put it backward. So the blade is removed. Once you get a new blade, you put a ring on top of the knob. So the same way, push that in, and then push into the right position and lock it. That's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.